Hey guys, today we are going to do an unboxing of this Ridgid tile saw. I got this from Home Depot on sale for $99. It had kind of mixed reviews. Some said it's good, some alright. But today we'll do an unboxing, and then in one of the future videos we will see how it actually cuts the tiles. So let's get on with the unboxing of this saw. Right, we took the saw out of the box, so you can see it has a nice solid aluminum top, and it has onboard storage. We got all the parts in there, so we'll take a look at it. It comes with a nice aluminum fence as well. So that's the fence that goes over here. And once it is in, you could just move it for the cuts. It feels very nice and sturdy, and then you can lock it in once you want the position to be set, and then that holds the material that you are cutting in place. So it got a nice power on and off switch on the bottom, and you got the power cable over here, and then it comes with a 7-inch professional tile blade. So it says powerful, durable, so you got to see once we start cutting the tiles. But as for the first looks, the saw looks pretty solid. Entire table is made of aluminum, and you got like onboard storage. You got a couple of the tools to adjust the saw blades, fix the saw blades. So let's see what tools does it come up with. So this is the bevel. It comes with the manual. Yes. And then I believe this is the splash guard. So you can see it feels pretty good. So it goes on top once you install the blade. And let's see what this one is. So this one is a miter gauge. So this goes on top of the fence. So let's try it out once you take it out. And this is another attachment. It's called the bridge. It goes on the back of the saw as a guide. So I think it attaches underneath over there. And then this is where you keep water in. So you see the min and max levels for the water while you're actually cutting the tiles. And then you got the arbor to mount the blades, and then this is a drain. Once you're done with cutting it, you can take it out and the water will drain out of the saw. So overall it looks solid. Let's put this back properly. It feels solid. And then here is the miter guide. I want to see how. This is also made of aluminum, so it just feels very good. So you can see 45-degree angle cuts, and 22.5. They're all marked, and then in between, so you could set it up. So this usually goes on the fence over here, and then you can adjust it. It slides pretty smoothly. It's pretty nice, and it can hold it. And then your saw blades goes in this opening, and then I believe splash guard goes in there as well, so you need to fix it. But once you have it, then you know it'll look like that. I think overall I'm impressed. It feels very nice. So we have to see how it cuts the tiles, then we'll have the true test. I think that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll use this saw to actually make some cutting with the tiles. Thank you.